Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. I guess I got Happy Mail, but I bought it, but I guess it's still technically Happy Mail. And it's the first time I bought from, I might not pronounce it right, but SHEIN. SHEIN. So I started playing one of their games. I started feeding their puppy. And then I guess I came across get 4 free, buy one get 4 free. So I bought one and 4 of these in here free. It'll be an interesting story. I got something in here. I thought it was one thing and it turned out to be totally something else. But we'll get that to in a minute. Plus I don't never remember. So most of this should be yarn. It's not all yarn. Alright, I know it's going to get loud in here, so I'm just going to try to do the scissors. Try to be quiet. Not happening. Oh, those are cute. Well, I suppose I can start with the mistake. It looked in the picture like it was needles. It's like, oh, I could always use more yarn needles. It's nowhere near what that is. Hair extensions. Not needles. I don't know. For some reason in the picture it looked like needles, but they're hair extensions. I've never used them. I don't know how to use them. But I think I have a plan. We might be looking at a video of this. Yeah, there's like, yeah. I've never used hair extensions. So yeah, they got, oh, those look like crochet hooks, right? They got some needles, rubber bands, whatever tools those are, and, okay, what would you use? Well, it looks like a pliers. Why would you use pliers? And yeah, like I said, I've never used hair extensions before, but I think I have a plan for this. Either that, or I'm just going to give these away. Guys, like if you want hair extensions, maybe I don't know. I don't know. I think I want to put these. I was thinking of attaching these into a hat. A hat with a bunch of hair extensions. That might look cool. If anything, I have a bunch of rubber bands. Whatever it is, those are probably for the hair extensions. And yeah, I may have to do some YouTube research on these. Be a lesson learned to read the description before you buy it. But the rest of this is yarn, so, or at least I think it's yarn. This, I think, is a cord. You know, everything is in plastic. Right, clearly this is not yarn either. I can probably still not saying that we can't crochet with it, but it's like a cord, a nylon cord. You can still do something with this. You never know. You know, maybe you'll make a hat. Extend it like a cape. All right, put that down. Yeah, I saw these. Oh, look at these, a bunch of little bonbons. Oh, I'm sorry about the plastic. I'm sorry. Yeah, they're just little bonbons. See if they can say, those are the recommended hook size. So let's see. They got 4, 7, I, and 9. or 5.5 millimeters. So this is probably about a size 4. 10 grams or 20. Yeah, okay, we got. Oh wait, they actually wrote on here. These are 10-gram balls, 22 yards or 20 meters. So yeah, little 10-gram balls. So I got a bunch in here. So here's a gray one. And I have a blue one. Yeah, it just feels like basic acrylic yarn. So there's a blue one. Yeah, I think I've gotten these before. I feel meh with this. Yeah, it's just basic. It's just yarn. It's just basic acrylic yarn. Yeah, definitely not. Yeah, I think I've gotten this on Amazon before, but slightly bigger balls, not 10. I think more like a 20 or 25-gram ball. Oh, how many I got here? 1, 2, 3. There's 5. Here's another gray and a green one. Yeah, this is. Well, there could be some very interesting origami. We could probably do origami stuff with all this. Those are some. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to empty out the whole bag. Yeah, we got rounds. We got like every color in here, so it's like, yeah, a bunch of these little balls. Might throw these into one of my handmade bags. Put these back in this bag. I don't think 20 some yards ain't gonna go that far. Figure that out later. Okay. What else I got in here? Another 10 pack. There's 10 pieces. Let's see if it says anything else in here. Nope. Pack 10. But I definitely like the feel of this yarn better than the ones I just did. This is way softer. I like this. I like these. I'll have to link this. I'll have to find it when I go back. I'll link this in there. I like this. This is soft. These are soft. I like these. So I got red and it's like a light blue. Shade of yellow and a shade of gold. There's a white one. And the black one. I got green and the gray one is getting tangled and a pink and a purple. These I like better. Let's see, these are similar to, I don't know if I got any right now. Yeah, I like this stuff. I think that's called Silkcraft or something. If I got any, I don't know if I got any that are open, but yeah, these I like way better than these. And we got one more. Milk cotton yarn. This is almost probably going to be exactly like what I'm already using in my temperature scarf. Let's see if it says on here. Oh, they're 50 grams. These are 50-gram balls. Okay. Why did I guys gotta wrap everything in plastic? Probably could have left this in plastic. Yeah, it's nice and soft. Yeah, this is the exact. Yeah, it's the exact same stuff I already got. That's probably why I got it, because I know I like this stuff. I like this. This is about like a 1 or 2 weight yarn. 50 grams, very soft, and I can't say anything else about this. like this. I like this. Okay. That was it, other than me being not paying attention and getting hair extensions. I'm happy with this. Even this stuff. It's just a cheaper end acrylic yarn, but I like this one. So yeah, this feels very similar. It's just, you find the same stuff on Temu. It's from Japan. Not Japan, China. So it's about the same. And it might have gotten here faster than Temu. Maybe. I think it might. Oh, maybe about the same, about a week. But it might have come faster. So, well, I don't know if I'm gonna buy from them again. I'm trying to win stuff for free. I'm playing their puppy. I'm beating their puppy. I'm trying to win it for free. Win stuff for free, and I failed. And I didn't make it in time for I guess they don't give extensions like Temu does. If you didn't get it down to 0 if you didn't get it in your 30 days, you're not getting it. So I started a new one, learned some things, and yeah, the plan is to try to get it for free, and I'll pay for it. All right. Enough babbling by me. So I guess for as far as the buying stuff and shopping from SHEIN, it's my first time. So yeah, I bought it. I got stuff. So I can't complain about that. So you can let me know in the comments if you bought yarn from them. Yeah, to me it seems like it's about the same as buying it from Temu. You can probably actually still find some of this stuff on Amazon too. And probably other sites that carry yarn from China. So anyway, if you did like this video, please get a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, or any of my patterns or other stuff going on, please subscribe to this channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.